let's take a look at this example. We have given 3 sides of the triangle and we're supposed to find the missing angles. Please notice that at the beginning we cannot use law of sines, because in order to use law of sines you're supposed to have given at least one angle and opposite side to that angle. At this moment we don't have any angles, that's why we cannot use law of sines. Next, we're supposed to look at the lengths of the sides, choose the longest side, and use law of cosine to find the angle which is across the longest side. So if I have given side A, I'm supposed to find angle A. Remember, you have to start always from the longest side. So we have A square is equal B square plus C square minus 2BC cosine of angle A. In order to find angle A, I'm supposed to move this part of my formula to the left side, and A square is supposed to be moved to the right side. So I have 2BC cosine of angle A is equal B square plus C square minus A square. In order to find angle A, I'm supposed to divide both sides of my formula by 2BC. 2BC and 2BC will cancel out. So I have cosine of angle A is equal B square plus C square minus A square over 2BC. In order to find angle A, I'm supposed to find the inverse of cosine. So I have angle A is equal inverse cosine, open parenthesis, and I have B square plus C square minus A square over 2BC. Next, I'm supposed to substitute the variables by the numbers. So I have angle A is equal inverse cosine, open parenthesis, and B is 35 meters square plus C square, which is 25 meters square, minus A square, which is 42 meters square. Close parenthesis, divide by 2 times B, okay, B, which is 35 meters, times C, which is equal 25 meters. Okay, plug in everything into the calculator. Remember about the parentheses, and you're supposed to get the value of 87.18 degrees. Okay, this is my angle A. Please notice that we obtain the largest angle in the triangle, and please notice that this angle is acute angle. So if my largest angle is acute, so it means that the remaining angles, okay, in this case angle B and C, supposed to be also acute angles. So I have angle and I have 3 sides, so I can use law of sines. So I'm going to calculate angle B first. So I have A over sine of angle A is equal B over sine of angle B. A is given, B is given, we found angle A, I can find a very easy angle B. Cross multiply, and we will have A sine of angle B is equal B sine of angle A. In order to find angle B, I'm supposed to divide both sides of my formula by A. A and A will cancel out. Okay, so we are going to have angle B is equal inverse sine, and I have side B sine of angle A over side A. Okay, so we are going to have angle B equals, next we're supposed to copy down inverse sine, and we will have B. B is equal to 35 meters sine of angle A, which is equal 87.18 degrees, over side A, which is equal 42 meters. Of course, you're supposed to use the calculator. You're supposed to obtain the value of 56.33 degrees. Okay, so we found angle A and we found angle B. In order to calculate angle C, we're supposed to remember that the sum of all angles in the given triangle is equal to 180 degrees. So if I have calculate two angles, I can find very easy the third one by simply subtracting these two values from 180 degrees. So I have 180 degrees minus angle A and minus angle B, which is equal to 180 degrees minus angle A, which is 87.18 degrees, and minus angle B, which is equal 56.33 degrees. Okay, use the calculator and you can get the value 36.49 degrees. Okay, so we found three angles, three sides were given, so we can say that the problem is solved.